Want to create your own templates on the CapCut app but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make a template on CapCut. Now let's get started. To create CapCut templates for other users to use, you'll need to apply to be a CapCut creator. To apply for this program, open the CapCut app and tap Me at the bottom. Sign into your CapCut account if you haven't already. Then tap Apply to be a creator. Scroll down and fill out all the required information in the Creator application form. You can add videos that show off your editing skills and link your social media accounts to showcase your videos as well. When you're done, tap Submit at the bottom to send in your application. CapCut's team will review your application and get back to you if you're selected to become a template creator. Once you're approved for the CapCut Creator program, you'll have an extra button on your screen upon exporting videos you've edited in the CapCut app. Tap Post as Template to share your video template in the CapCut template gallery for other users to try. In the meantime, while you're waiting to be accepted to the Creator program, here's how you can create CapCut templates for your own use. Edit a video project in the way that you want your template to be, including effects, overlays, and other editing tools. Then exit your video project and tap the three dots to the right of it in your projects list. Select Duplicate. Then you can edit that duplicated project, replacing the original video clips with different ones from your camera roll. That's all it takes to create templates on CapCut. Want to learn how to use templates made by others? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.